Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to cover the Black & Decker Thermal 12 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Okay, we have another Black & Decker 12 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker with a thermal carafe. I actually did a model very similar to this a couple of years ago. That model was the CM2035B. This model is the CM2046S. I paid $62.99 for it on Amazon. The previous model right now is $59.99. You could actually, as I record this, early April 2025, they're both available still. Only difference is the older model had the control panel where the brew basket is housed, and this model has it underneath the water level indicator. So we'll get into the demo, making a pot of coffee, but first I just want to show what it comes with. It really doesn't come with much, just the brew basket. I mean, obviously it's going to come with the brew basket. And we have the new Vortex shower head. The older model had the, what was it called, the Even Stream. Similar technology, just to evenly distribute the water over the grounds. Here's a look at the carafe. The top lid twists off. There's a look inside. There's no markings for water level, by the way. And here's our control panel. Very simple, hour, minute button, a brew later button, and a strong feature. So, as always, we set the clock first. The time will flash, and we'll just set the clock. We'll set it for 5:30 p.m. And that PM indicator is very small. Yeah, it's about as zoomed in as I could get without losing focus. There it is, PM. There's no AM indicator, by the way. Just that very tiny PM indicator, so you're really going to need a magnifying glass when setting this time. So we said 5:30. We'll just hold it in till we get to 5:30. And then we'll release it and the time will be set. Now to use the brew later feature, that's just basically a programmable timer. To set it, just press the brew later button and select the time you want it to go off in the morning. And we'll say 7:10. Keep it simple, nice round number. And once you release it, it's going to be set. And you'll see the brew later. You'll see that, if you can see it, you'll see that displayed and you'll know that it's set to go off at the time you set. And you have a strong feature. I didn't test that yet. In this demo, we're going to test that. And the power button. If you don't want to set the clock, if you don't want to mess around with the brew later feature, you could just put the water in, put your coffee grounds in, and press that button. It's like an on-off button. Make a full 12-cup pot. Now this doesn't come with a reusable screen filter, so you're going to have to use the basket style type, 8 to 12 cup size. Just place that in there. And we're going to do a tablespoon per cup. So it's going to be 12 tablespoons. Let's get this started. And if you grind your own coffee, you're going to want to use like a medium grind. That's the texture you're looking for. $11 and $12. Heading back to the control panel real quickly. I said I wanted to test the strong feature, so we're just going to press that strong button and we'll see that strong display. Okay, just finished up. 7:32. So from 7:10 to 7:32, just turned 7:33. So figure 23 minutes for the bold feature, for the strong feature. The regular feature took 17 minutes in testing. Another thing it does, before I pour, you're going to get this 120-minute countdown, and we're going to come back about 2 hours later, and we're going to check the temperature again. See how good the thermos holds the heat. Now notice nothing's pouring, but when you press that button, okay, almost 170, about 169. Let's see how it came out. It came out good. It's definitely an acceptable cup. Once again, the temperature was like 169. We're going to come back approximately 2 hours later. Let me show that countdown. Right on the control panel, the minute it's done brewing, it'll switch to 120 minutes and it'll just count down. So we're going to come back and check the temperature again. Alright, we have about 2 minutes remaining. Let's check the temperature. And also, if you don't want that countdown displayed, you could just turn it off by pressing the power button, and it'll go back to the current time. $156. Okay, 156, almost 157, and we had a 169. So a little over 2 hours later, just about, holds the heat fairly well. I haven't tested many of these thermal coffee makers. There's a bunch more I have to do, but so far so good. I mean, it gets the job done. And I thank you for watching, because that's going to be the video of the Black & Decker Thermal 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next one.